I'm here not to scare you, but it will cost you your time. It will cost your so many research. You're going to sitting on the chair 4 hours to find 100 tab on your computer, also on your phone. Are you ready? So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to Mom with the Stars. I'm your scholarship consultant, study planner, and also education consultant who is currently helping students and parents to navigate all of the opportunity from start until you are ready. Do you really need a consultant, or you can do it by your own? Here the honest answer from a mom to become a one. First and foremost, I want to ask you, apakah Anda dan anak Anda sementara lagi mencari-cari beasiswa mana yang tepat dan a little bit scared about the whole process? You keep seeing letter like or sentence like motivation letter, essay, study plan, and then you are not sure if you're doing it right. Or ada beberapa pertanyaan yang sering aku dengar dan sering aku baca yang selalu ditanyakan oleh students or even parents. Pertanyaan itu kayak gini, do I really a consultant? Or can I do it by myself? And today, I'm going to share my honest answer dari seorang ibu dan juga seorang ibu rumah tangga in her 30s, recently working as a scholarship study planner and also education consultant. Okay, let me back from what I experienced. So I had almost 5 or 6 years gap because I choose to take care of my family first. And also I have a master degree in international relations. But after being out from the workforce for several years, untuk kembali lagi di work situation is not easy at all, I would say. Tapi kan bukan sesuatu hal yang mustahil. When I decided to start over, I choose this path because I saw in my bare eyes how stressed students, parents, even my mom were about scholarship, mengenai beasiswa, how stressed they are, how parents put a lot of effort to get a beasiswa yang sebisa mungkin, mengusahakan semuanya agar anak-anaknya bisa sekolah. Dan karena pengalaman pribadi dan juga melihat situasi yang terjadi di from the place that I grew up, here in the place that I live here right now, ada begitu banyak teman-teman kita, orang tua murid, wali-wali, orang tua murid, atau saudara-saudara kita yang tidak terekspos dengan informasi-informasi yang relevan, yang related mengenai kesempatan-kesempatan beasiswa yang ada di Indonesia, maupun yang ada di luar Indonesia. And now I've helped quite a few of students and also parents, and I have seen both sides. Those who succeed alone and those who struggled until they got proper guidance. So, do I really need a consultant? Here's my honest intake. You probably don't need a consultant if first you are really organized person and good at researching. Second, you are enjoying reading, writing, and feel confident to express yourself. Third, you really have the time, energy to do everything by yourself, including membaca semua requirements yang disediakan oleh universitas atau program beasiswa yang teman-teman ingin tuju. Fourth, you already understand very well, very detailed, the application process. But you probably do really need consultant if first you feel overwhelmed and confused every time you open the scholarship website. You don't know where to start. You don't know which button you need to click. You found it's too much information, especially when you don't get used to it to read all of the information on website. It's happened to me too. Ini aku beberapa belasan tahun yang lalu. Second, you keep rewriting your essay because you think that it doesn't feel right. Teman-teman bisa menulis essay atau motivation letter, tapi tiba-tiba sebentar menulis atau sebentar baca essay yang teman-teman tulis, teman-teman mulai berpikir, mulai overthinking. Tapi kok ini kepanjangan ya? Atau bingung sendiri sama tulisan sendiri, atau kok ini nggak nyambung ya? Third, you want to save time and also increase your chances significantly. Jadi maksudnya teman-teman hemat waktu, apalagi buat teman-teman yang lagi sementara di SMA nih, lagi sibuk-sibuknya mempersiapkan ujian akhir, lagi sibuk-sibuknya mempersiapkan untuk berpikir untuk masuk ke melanjutkan studi ke S1, tapi teman-teman sekali mendapatkan beasiswa, entah itu full funded atau half funded, entah itu jalur prestasi atau jalur bantuan dari pemerintah, atau teman-teman sama kayak aku, seorang ibu rumah tangga yang juga bekerja, yang ingin juga pengen melanjutkan sekolah, you still have desire to untuk bersekolah S2 atau S3, dan it's totally need force and also time management yang baik. Dan untuk menghemat waktu, here I am as a consultant, here to help and also guide you. So you're not alone in this journey. So sebenarnya, the truth is, every student can do it alone. But the problem is, many more wasted of months, waste time, miss deadlines, because karena teman-teman doing it blindly. Karena teman-teman kemungkinan besar pertama itu buru-buru, teman-teman jadi tidak kurang paham mengenai alurnya, teman-teman menjadi FOMO. So as a consultant, what a consultant actually does. Let me tell you briefly what I really do to my clients. First and foremost, I always start to know them and also know their own self. Not trying to be someone else. You can be inspired, but you cannot copy-paste a template. You know what I mean? And also not to compare their situation, their self to other people. Yang kedua, I help students and guide students and parents untuk menemukan universitas mana atau program beasiswa yang mana yang ingin mereka tuju, including jurusan apa yang mereka ingin ambil di universitas tersebut. Dan juga I help them to creating their own study plan, and also we mapping together. Yang ketiga, I in person guide them to write an essay. And after they write an essay, I also give honest feedback to them before they submit it. Dan juga yang keempat, as a consultant, I also prepare them to how they handle the interview. So they feel more comfortable, because I believe that practice makes you get used to it and more comfortable. Next, yang kelima, I'm not here to promise you and guarantee you that 100% teman-teman akan masuk di program beasiswa itu atau masuk di universitas yang teman-teman ingin. But I help you and guide you to avoid the common mistakes. And last but not least, sebagai consultant, saya perlu untuk memberikan beberapa opsi kepada teman-teman atau orang tua mengenai universitas-universitas mana aja atau program mana aja yang sesuai dengan keadaan teman-teman sekarang. Anyway, do you really need a scholarship, study plan, and education consultant? The answer is always, it depends on you. If you feel stuck, confused, overwhelmed, you have no time to prepare, to research, to sort things out that really fit on your current situation, your needs, yes, having someone to guide you, to help you, it totally will make a big, huge difference. But at the same time, if you're confident enough to do it by yourself, you can definitely try it by yourself. But even you choose to do it alone, I hope this channel could be able to give you a free guide or also give you a second opinion. It all depends on you. If you are still watching, I'm grateful and thank you so much for watching all of my videos and supporting me. I totally understand, as a parents, we need to support our child's future, so you are in the right place and you are not alone. If you really need an honest guidance, please DM me. DM aku di Mom with the Stars, di Instagram Mom with the Stars, atau langsung comment down below. I will reach you as soon as possible. And last but not least, if this video helped you to feel less confused, overwhelmed, resonate your needs, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to share this video. Share ke teman-teman, ke saudara-saudara, ke tetangga mungkin, atau ke grup pertemanan, grup komunitas, atau grup tetangga. Agar supaya video ini dapat sampai ke saudara-saudara kita, teman-teman kita yang sangat membutuhkan informasi ini. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Be kind everyone. Cheers!